We are going to look on some firewall things today. We are going to see how to block a particular protocol in the network and how to block a particular IP address in the network with a firewall. The firewall I am using here is uncomplicated firewall. We can call UFW command in the console. Let's see how to block a particular protocol like ICMP in a network and how it's done. See, the pings are blocked. Second, let's see how to block a particular IP address in a network and how it's done. See, the pings from this particular host are blocked. Like, share, and subscribe for more contents on networking. Stay tuned, stay connected, and stay updated.